Electrum has been a trusted name in the crypto space for years, but is it still worth using in 2025? Let's break it down. First, what is Electrum? It's a Bitcoin wallet that's lightweight, open source, and designed for simplicity. Unlike many multi-crypto wallets, Electrum focuses solely on Bitcoin, which has allowed it to remain fast, secure, and reliable. One of Electrum's standout features is its speed. Since it doesn't download the entire blockchain, it's lightweight and connects directly to decentralized servers, making it ideal for users who need a wallet that's quick to set up and use. When it comes to security, Electrum is top-notch. It supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, two-factor authentication and multi-signature functionality. Plus, your private keys are encrypted and stored locally on your device, giving you full control of your funds. Now, the pros. Electrum is incredibly lightweight, making it a great choice for older devices or users who value efficiency. It's also highly customizable, with advanced features like custom transaction fees and SegWit support for reduced fees. But it's not perfect. Electrum user's interface feels outdated compared to modern wallets, which may deter beginners. Also, since it only supports Bitcoin, it's not suitable if you're managing a diverse crypto portfolio. Now, is Electrum worth using? If you're a Bitcoin-focused user who values security, speed, and control, Electrum is still one of the best options out here. However, if you're looking for a sleek multi-crypto wallet with a beginner-friendly interface, you might want to explore alternatives. Electrum is a wallet built for functionality and reliability, not flash. If that aligns with your needs, it's absolutely worth considering.